Acquiring your AllyCare activation code is easy. Open a browser and navigate to netally.com. It's best to use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. Hover your cursor over the sign-in link and select Registered Products. From here, you will need an account. If you already have an account, simply enter your email address and password. If you do not have an account, enter your email address into the New Users field and select Sign Up. At this point, you will be asked for a few pieces of further information, such as your full name, your company's name, your company's phone number, and you will be asked to verify that you're a human. Once you've clicked Register, you will be sent an email with an account activation link. Simply click the link to be redirected to the website, which will ask you for further information. This information includes your company's website, your company's address, the city, the state, province, or territory, your country, your zip code or postal code, and you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Select Register Product. Here, you will be asked for your serial number, your product name, your purchase date, and from whom you purchased the product. Your serial number can be located by looking at the barcode sticker on the back of your unit. Once the serial number is entered, and the product name field should auto-populate. You may estimate the purchase date if you do not know the exact date. Once you enter the name of the vendor from whom you purchased your unit, select Register Product. For the time being, leave the Link Live checkbox unselected. You will need to wait 5 to 10 seconds for your unit to populate below the fields you just completed. But if it does not show up within 30 seconds, feel free to refresh the page to see your unit. At this point, you will need to select the link on the right-hand side of the page titled Get Code. This will generate a pop-up with your AllyCare activation code. Simply enter this code into the field that is requesting a code on your unit, and you have activated your AllyCare support on your unit. As always, if you have any questions, please give us a call. You can reach us domestically at 844-878-2559 or internationally at 1-719-755-0770.